May I invite Miss Fatma on the dais to deliver a speech about introduction of Islam and about Salah. She is a very good student of International Institute of English Language. I request her that please be on podium and deliver her speech. Miss Fatma, please be on podium.
الحمد لله وحده والصلاة والسلام على من لا نبي بعده فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ومن يبتغي غير الإسلام دينا فلن يقبل منه وهو في الآخرة من الخاسرين صدق الله العلي العظيم. Good morning ladies and gentlemen. My name is Fatima. I am here to tell you something about myself. But first of all, I would like to praise Rashid sir who has given me this golden chance. My dear audience, my today's topic is Salah. Today on this auspicious occasion, I am going to deliver a speech on the topic of Salah, which means pray. So pray to God that may Allah give me tawfiq to speak right and follow the teaching of Islam. Ameen. Namaz is a Urdu word which means prayer and dua. It's the most important pillar of Islam. Islam is stands on 5 pillars. Number 1, first is the Shahada, which means witness that there is no God except Allah. Second is the Salah, which means pray. Third is the Sawm, which means fasting. Fourth is the Zakah, which means charity and Sadaqah. Fifth is the Hajj, which means visiting the Kaaba. My dear audience, Namaz is obligatory on every Muslim, man and woman, 5 times in a day. My dear friends, missing Salah is the biggest sin in the sight of Allah. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Man taraka salata muta'ammidan faqad kafar." The person who forsakes his prayers intentionally certainly who did kufr. Thank you so much.
My dear students, you are listening Miss Fatma. MashaAllah, she has delivered her speech in a very good style.
डियर वीवर्स, क्या आप अपनी इंग्लिश को लेकर परेशान हैं? क्या आप इंग्लिश नहीं जानते हैं? क्या आप इंग्लिश लिख नहीं पाते हैं? क्या आप इंग्लिश पढ़ तो लेते हैं लेकिन उसका माना और मतलब नहीं समझ पाते हैं? क्या आप इंग्लिश बोलने से हिचकिचाते हैं? क्या आप बदलते वक्त के साथ साथ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज को वक्त की अहम तरीन ज़रूरत महसूस करते हैं? क्या आप अंग्रेज़ी ज़बान को अपनी ज़िंदगी का जुज़े लायन फ़क तस्वुर करते हैं? क्या आप इंग्लिश लिखने पढ़ने बोलने में वर्ड्स मीनिंग की कमी और ग्रामर में वीकनेस महसूस करते हैं? इफ़ यस, then my 90 days English speaking course is your complete solution. Hi, my name is Khurshid Anwar Qasmi, a successful expert English teacher, writer and trainer. I have been running International Institute of English Language since 2011. I am offering you a 90 days English speaking course. In this course, I'll teach you how to speak, write and read English language. I'll solve your grammatical doubts and weakness. I'll increase your words meaning bank and I'll provide you a good practice. I'll provide you public speaking, communication skill and interview classes. So join my live online English classes or purchase recorded online English speaking course. Just dial 752-000-7006 to know more information. To take admission, click the blue link and register yourself. Happy learning, empowering, educating. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.